Amidst the vastness of existence, we frequently overlook the inner exploration awaiting within ourselves, as highlighted by Dolores Cannon, a distinguished figure in metaphysical and hypnotherapy realms. She sheds light on the deep-seated connection between our consciousness and the remarkable intricacies of our bodies, offering insights into utilizing internal power for self-healing. Consider, for a moment, envisioning your body not just as a physical entity, but as a universe within itself. Each cell, every organism, pulsates with life and awareness, orchestrating a bustling ecosystem to sustain your being. This perspective urges us to acknowledge the intricate tapestry of life interwoven within us, a universe brimming with potential and vitality. Cannon stresses that within this microcosm, every particle harbors consciousness, from the smallest fiber to the vast expanse of space. Such consciousness permeates all aspects of reality, challenging conventional understandings of the world. In the journey toward healing, the potency of thought holds a profound truth often overlooked. Your cells are not passive bystanders, but sentient entities capable of profound communication. Recognizing this empowers us to influence our health and well-being through dialogue with our bodies. So, how does this realization empower self-healing? It begins with acknowledging the profound relationship between our thoughts and physical well-being. Our minds possess immense power not only to induce illness, but also to facilitate healing. Cannon suggests that every ailment is the body's mode of communication, urging us to decipher the messages embedded within. Consider cancer, often rooted in suppressed emotions like anger. By delving into the underlying causes of our afflictions, we initiate profound healing journeys by unraveling the narratives within ourselves. Cannon's work underscores the importance of taking ownership of our health by confronting the shadows within, unresolved emotions and traumas. Shedding light on these hidden recesses allows us to reclaim our power for healing and transformation. Her teachings offer invaluable insights into the intricate relationship between mind and body, emphasizing that thoughts, emotions, and beliefs influence every cell of our being. This understanding illuminates the profound power within us to shape reality and influence our well-being. Have you heard of the rice experiment, reminiscent of Dr. Masaru Emoto's discoveries on water consciousness? It's a simple yet profound demonstration of how human thoughts and intentions can impact physical reality at a molecular level. Dr. Emoto's research revealed water's dynamic nature, responding to energy and intentions directed toward it. Inspired by this, a Japanese family devised the rice experiment, showcasing the power of intention through a hands-on demonstration. The experiment, straightforward yet potent, offers visual evidence of thoughts and emotions' profound impact on physical substances. Conducting it at home involves simple steps, leading to visual results reflecting the energy and intention infused into the rice. Reflecting on my own experience with the rice experiment, I witnessed remarkable transformations over several months. The experiment vividly illustrates the contrasting effects of positive and negative energy on rice, serving as a reminder of the influence our thoughts and emotions wield over the world. Consider now the impact of words on our bodies, primarily composed of water. Just as Dr. Emoto's experiments showed thought's effect on water, our internal dialogue shapes our being, impacting our health and vitality profoundly. Positive thoughts and self-care practices possess transformative power, nurturing and rejuvenating our inner waters. Conversely, negative thoughts can disrupt balance within, leading to adverse effects on health and vitality. By cultivating self-love and positive self-talk, we harness the mind-body connection's transformative power. Conscious intention, affirmations, and trust in the healing process foster harmony and resilience within. Forgiveness plays a pivotal role in healing, liberating us from emotional burdens that manifest as physical ailments. It's a journey of unraveling pain layers, leading to profound freedom and renewal. At the core of Cannon's teachings lies the truth that healing begins with self-love, a sacred act of honoring our essence, nurturing our holistic health, and embracing our worthiness. By embodying self-love, we empower ourselves to live fulfilling lives aligned with our highest potential, contributing to the greater good of all. In this dance of healing, every word, every thought holds the power to spark transformation within. Dare to embark on the journey of self-discovery, delving into the depths of your being to uncover the hidden gems of wisdom and healing that lie within. As you navigate the intricacies of your inner landscape, remember that you are not alone. The universe conspires in your favor, guiding you towards wholeness and well-being with every step you take. Embrace the power of intention, infusing every thought, every action with the energy of love and healing. Allow your words to become vehicles of transformation, carrying vibrations of positivity and empowerment to every cell of your body. For in the sacred dance of healing, you are both the dancer and the dance, orchestrating the symphony of wellness and vitality with every beat of your heart. As you cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you, remember the profound interconnectedness of all things. Just as your thoughts and intentions ripple outwards to shape your reality, so too do they intersect with the collective consciousness, weaving a tapestry of healing and harmony that reverberates throughout the cosmos. In the wisdom of Dolores Cannon, we find a guiding light, illuminating the path towards self-discovery and transformation. Her teachings remind us that healing is not simply a destination to be reached, but a journey to be embraced, a sacred pilgrimage of self-love and self-empowerment. So dare to speak to your body, to listen to its whispers of wisdom and guidance. Trust in the innate intelligence that resides within you, guiding you towards wholeness and well-being. And above all, remember that you are a magnificent being of light, worthy of love, abundance, and healing in all its forms. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and healing, may you be blessed with courage, resilience, and unwavering faith in the transformative power of your own inner light. For in the vast expanse of existence, the greatest miracles often unfold within the sacred temple of your own being. Continue to nurture the seeds of self-love and self-compassion within you, tending to them with the care and attention they deserve. Cultivate practices that nourish your body, mind, and spirit, honoring the sacred vessel that carries you through this journey of life. In moments of doubt or struggle, remember the profound resilience that resides within you, a wellspring of strength and vitality waiting to be tapped into. Trust in the innate wisdom of your body to guide you towards healing and wholeness, for it holds the keys to unlocking the limitless potential that lies dormant within. As you continue to walk the path of self-discovery and transformation, know that you are supported by the loving embrace of the universe itself. Surrender to the flow of life, allowing it to carry you towards your highest expression of self, where healing becomes not just a destination but a way of being. And in the quiet moments of reflection, when the whispers of your soul beckon you to listen, heed their call with an open heart and a receptive mind. For it is in these moments of deep connection that you will find the answers you seek, the guidance you need, and the healing you long for. So dare to speak to your body, to listen to its wisdom, and to honor the sacred journey of healing that unfolds within you. For in doing so, you reclaim your power, your purpose, and your inherent divinity as a magnificent being of light. Embrace the journey, dear one, and know that you are never alone. For the universe dances in celebration of your existence, weaving a tapestry of love and healing that stretches across the cosmos and beyond. May you walk this path with grace and courage, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to the radiant truth of your own divine essence. And may the light of your soul shine brightly, illuminating the way for others to follow as they embark on their own journey of healing and self-discovery. In the words of Dolores Cannon, you are more powerful than you have ever imagined. You are a being of infinite love and light, capable of miracles beyond your wildest dreams. So go forth, dear one, and let your light shine.